Hi, I'm Daryl Smith. I'm the town engineer for the town of Farragut. We just recently completed installation of backlit illuminated street signs through our town center and at Parkside, Campbell Station, and Smith Road in Kingston Pike. I've got to give credit to our town administrator David Smoak for coming up with this project. He came to us a couple of years ago and asked us to consider illuminated street signs. We did add it to our CIP this past year. The response from the public has been very positive. They do look great. Fact is, if you're unfamiliar in Farragut, it's easier to navigate now. If you're familiar with Farragut, it's just one of those things that makes us stand out. We hope this is a quality of life improvement that the town can enjoy.